Good morning. It's day 7, Math AMI with Miss Robinette. One update, Mr. Indris did give us a day, Monday, the 20th, from 1 to 7. It's going to be an unmanned AMI pickup drop-off day, okay? He will have the stuff set up outside the elementary. No one will be there. Your names will be on packets if you're there to pick up packets. There'll be a place for you to drop off all the work that you've done, and another spot, I'm sure there'll be like boxes set up if you have any books or recorders or things like that. So I just wanted to update you on that. We did get information. I posted that on Facebook and Remind yesterday. Okay, for math, today we're going to talk about area and perimeter. On area, when we look at a shape, we're going to take its length and its width, okay? Those are two sides that touch when we look at a length and a width. It doesn't matter which one's which. You just have to use one of the two sides that connect, okay? And you multiply those together. If you were to find perimeter, you're going to take, if it's a rectangle, for example, you're going to use every side, and then you're going to add them all up, okay? So I just wrote a little bit of a summary here. Area is length times width, and perimeter means to add all sides. All right, those are your two things that you're thinking about today as we're doing our lesson. This is the page for today, so everybody's on the same thing. Okay, question number 1. Okay, maybe I need to make it a little closer there. All right. Question number 1 says, which are the dimensions of a rectangle with the same area as the given rectangle? So up here you see I've got it circled. It tells you already what the area is. If you look, it says the area is 32 feet squared. Okay, so they took 8 times 4 and multiplied that together and got 32. They also could have added up all the squares inside this shape and also got 32. So what you're trying to do is you're looking at your choices down here, A, B, C, D, and you want to find the one that also equals 32. All right? You want to find the one that also equals 32. So when you multiply these together, which one is going to equal 32? Okay, let's see if this makes it where it doesn't shine through as bad. All right, question number 2. It says, which are the dimensions of a rectangle with the same perimeter as the given rectangle? Okay, which are the dimensions of a rectangle with the same rectangular, no, excuse me, I'm reading backwards. Let me apologize. Which are the dimensions of a rectangle with the same perimeter as the given rectangle? Okay, so up here it tells us what the perimeter is again. There's the perimeter, 24. So which one of these, A, B, C, D, if you were to draw a rectangle also and label all the sides, okay, if you were to label all the sides, which one would give you the same perimeter, 24, as the one above? Okay, so that's what it's asking. So you can think about it. Even if you have to get or draw really small here, draw these 4 shapes out, which one of these, all right, could you add, in other words, double the first one and double the second one and then add them together? Are you going to get 24? All right. Question number 3. It says, which is the perimeter of the rectangle above? So it gives you your 2 sides, but it's perimeter, remember? You're not going to multiply. Perimeter means to add all sides. So if you were to add up around the edge of this box, what would your perimeter be? All right. Then there's question number 4. Which of these rectangles has the same area as the rectangle above? So this is the rectangle above. If you found the area of this, which this is a 6 and this is a 4, 6 times 4 is what? Okay, that's its area. Then you come down here and you look at these shapes and it gives you those numbers. If you multiply those numbers together, which one is also going to give you 24? Because 24 is what we would have gotten on the first shape in question number 3. Now, that's it. 4 questions, area and perimeter. Just stimulating your memory as to what those are. Okay, in 5th grade, and we didn't get to it yet. Okay, in 5th grade, one of our huge strands is volume. So we learn perimeter, then we learn area, and then we learn volume. Okay, perimeter is adding all the sides. Area is just length times width because it's a 2-dimensional figure. It's flat. And then they take this 2-dimensional figure, which was flat, and they add height to it. Okay? And then it becomes volume. That just means there's layers upon layers upon layers of the exact same thing stacked on top of it. Okay? What would the inside hold? That's our volume. If you want to find some practice on that, some of you are on Khan Academy or maybe even Moby Max or something like that. You can look up some stuff on volume if you want to. That would be great. That is a skill that we were supposed to have in 5th grade, and it would continue on to 6th grade. I just want to say hi. I've enjoyed our Zoom meetings for those of you that have had time to get on and visit with us, even if it's just for a minute. We're not doing anything special. We're just saying hi. I know Miss May is doing another Zoom meeting tomorrow at 4:30, and she's reading more of Maniac McGee. So if you just want to get on and listen to her read, you can do that too. So anyway, I hope you have a great day.